Today, we're diving into the one skill most software engineers ignore, why it matters more than just writing code, and the top programming languages to learn in 2025 to land high paying jobs. Watch till the end to supercharge your career. As a software engineer or computer science student, it's easy to think coding is all that matters. But here's the truth: the ability to solve problems effectively and communicate your solutions is far more critical than knowing every single syntax. This is called soft problem solving skills. Companies don't just hire people to write code, they hire engineers to solve real world problems. That's why learning how to break down complex problems, collaborate with teams, and explain your thought process to non tech stakeholders is key. Want to stand out? Start working on your logical thinking and presenting skills. These are the X factors that turn good engineers into leaders. Now that we've talked about problem solving, let's get into the coding languages that will dominate 2025. Mastering these will not only secure you a job, but also maximize your earning potential. Python continues to dominate for its versatility. Whether it's data science, AI, machine learning, or web development, Python is your go to. And with the rise of automation, Python frameworks like Selenium and PyTest are becoming crucial for QA engineers. Front end and full stack development are still in demand. Learn JavaScript for frameworks like React and Node.js, and take it a step further with TypeScript to write scalable, error free code for enterprise projects. Rust is gaining massive popularity for its safety and performance. If you're into building low level systems or blockchain applications, Rust is the language to know in 2025. Golang is perfect for building scalable and high performance systems. It's lightweight, fast, and loved by companies like Google and Uber for back-end development. If you're interested in mobile app development, Kotlin is a must-learn for Android. It's officially backed by Google, and its integration with Jetpack Compose makes app development faster and smoother. For anyone interested in the AI revolution, R and Julia are rising stars. Julia, in particular, is known for its speed and ability to handle scientific computing. Knowing these languages isn't enough. Focus on these additional skills to secure the highest paying jobs in 2025. Cloud computing, learn AWS, Azure, and DevOps tools like Docker and Kubernetes. AI ML frameworks, TensorFlow and PyTorch are still leading in AI development. GraphQL, become a pro at building and consuming APIs with GraphQL. Combine problem solving, communication, and mastery of these tools to become a complete software engineer. Which programming language or skill are you focusing on for 2025? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techali Tutorial for more insights on tech, science, and beyond. See you next time.